dear students. Students, in previous lecture we study about the revision about the block number first. We take a revision about the block number first. So my dear students, today we will revise the block number 2 in a subject social science. So block number 2 name is My State Maharashtra. Block name is My State Maharashtra. Today we will learn about our state Maharashtra. So in this block the political divisions are given in the in this block gives the political divisions of Maharashtra, our Maharashtra's physical features, our Maharashtra's economic activities, and our Maharashtra's culture. Okay, so my dear students, first of all we discussing about the lesson number first, L1. So our lesson name is Political Divisions of Maharashtra. Political divisions of Maharashtra. Means that in this lesson we study about our Maharashtra's political divisions. So Maharashtra is the third largest state in India. Maharashtra is the third largest state in India. Means that in India, as compared to all states, the Maharashtra is the third level or third number state in India. So its capital is Mumbai. So Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. So my dear students, Nagpur is known as the second or winter capital as the annual winter session of Maharashtra State Assembly is held here every year. Okay. So my dear students, the first is the state is divided into the 6 big areas called the division. So first is a division. So Maharashtra is divided into the 6 big large areas. This is called the divisions. Like the Amravati, Aurangabad, Konkan, Nagpur, Nashik and Pune. These divisions are further divided into the 36 districts. These divisions are further divided into the 36 districts. District means ज्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण काय म्हणतो जिल्हा. These divisions are divided into the 36 districts. On each district is divided into the talukas. On each district divided into the talukas. Okay, and each taluka is divided into the group of many villages or towns. Villages or towns. These are the divisions of our Maharashtra. Okay. Then the second lesson, in a second lesson we study about the physical features of Maharashtra. The second lesson name is Physical Features of Maharashtra. So you know that what are our physical features of our Maharashtra. Okay. So my dear students, tell me any one physical feature of our Maharashtra. So coastal plains, western ghats, Satpura Rams, Deccan Plateau and rivers are our physical features of Maharashtra. Like the coast of Maharashtra is called the Konkan coast, and the strip of land that lies along the coastal line is called the coastal plains. Then second is the western ghats. So these are the low hills that lie between the Arabian Sea and Deccan Plateau. Then next is the Satpura Ram. So Satpura hills lie on the northern part of the state. जो स्टेटचा नॉर्थर्न पार्ट आहे तिथे आपल्या सातपुरा रान आहे. Then the Kalsuba is the highest peak of Maharashtra. It's located here. Means that the Kalsubai peak is located in a Satpura Ram. Then the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau The Deccan Plateau lies to the east of the Western Ghats. So Western Ghat आहे त्याच्या ईस्टला काय आहे Deccan Plateau. And last is the rivers. So the several big and small rivers flow through Maharashtra. These include the Narmada, Tapti, Godavari and Krishna. Which rivers? So rivers are Narmada, Tapti, Godavari and Krishna. Then the third lesson name is the economic activities of Maharashtra. Name is the economic activities of Maharashtra. So tell me any one economic activity of our Maharashtra. So my dear students, first of all, what is mean by economic activity? So economic activity means work people do to earn money. Work people do to earn money. This is called the economic activity. पैसे मिळवण्यासाठी जे काम केलं जातं त्याला इकॉनॉमिक ॲक्टिव्हिटी असं म्हणतात. So my dear students, today in this lesson we study about our economic activities in Maharashtra. Like the first is the farming. Okay, so farming is the most important economic activity in our Maharashtra. Like the major crops of Maharashtra are cotton and sugarcane. Means that in Maharashtra the most major crops are the sugarcane and cotton. Okay, so my dear students, as well as fishing, factories, textile industries, these are our economic activities. Then next is the culture of Maharashtra. Fourth lesson name is the culture of Maharashtra. So culture means in Marathi called the Sanskruti. So like the languages, food, clothes, festivals, okay, these are make our culture. So my dear students, Marathi and Konkani are the most commonly spoken languages in Maharashtra. Marathi and Ahirani, these languages we use in our Maharashtra. The different dialects of Marathi are spoken in the different parts of Maharashtra. Like the Waradi is spoken in the Vidarbha, while Ahirani and Khandeshi is spoken in the Nashik region, and Konkani is spoken in a parts of coastal Maharashtra, like in the Konkan. There is a food. So some commonly eaten food items of Maharashtra are the vada, amboli, bhakri, solkadi, puranpoli and shrikhand. Then the clothes. Which types of clothes we use in our Maharashtra? So like the traditional clothes of Maharashtra include the Nauwari. Nauwari means a 9-yard sari worn by the women, and the dhoti kurta by the men. Most men in cities wear the shirts and pants. So like the next is the festivals. Which festivals we celebrate in our Maharashtra? So Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most important festival in our Maharashtra, and other festivals are the Nariyal Purnima, Ilora festival, Elephanta festival and Christmas. Okay. So my dear students, in this way today we discussing about the block number 2. Okay. So we revise this block. So my dear students, today's homework of subject social science, please write down this question. First of all, I write the questions on blackboard and please you solve it. Okay. So my dear students, question number first is the write the names of political divisions of Maharashtra. Then the second question. What is the second question? Second question is write the physical features. Write the physical features of Maharashtra. Okay, of Maharashtra. Then the third question is what is the economic activities? What is economic activities? Write its names. Write its names. And question number 4. Okay. Write about culture of Maharashtra. My dear students, these questions are very descriptive but is essential. Okay, because on this block in our exam, on this block ask the question for the 5 marks, 6 marks, 9 marks. Therefore this lesson is very important. So my dear students, the first question is to write the names of political divisions of Maharashtra. इथं काय करायचं, तुम्ही पॉलिटिकल डिव्हिजनचे नेम्स लाईनला लिहायचे आहेत किंवा असे पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही काय लिहिणार डिव्हिजन, देन डिव्हिजन इज डिवायडेड एरो दाखवायचा, त्याच्या खाली नेक्स्ट काय येईल तो लिहायची डिव्हिजन, त्यानंतर एरो दाखवायचा, त्याच्या खाली काय डिव्हिजन येईल ती लिहायची. देन क्वेश्चन टू राईट फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. इथं तुम्ही फिजिकल फीचरचे नेम्स लिहायचे, पण प्रत्येकाबद्दल किमान एक तरी सेंटेन्स तुम्हाला लिहिता आली पाहिजे. देन व्हॉट इज द कॉमन व्हॉट इज द इकॉनॉमिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. इकॉनॉमिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज म्हणजे काय, इकॉनॉमिक ॲक्टिव्हिटीज म्हणजे काय ते लिहायचं, राईट इट्स नेम्स. आणि ते फार्मिंग असेल, इंडस्ट्री असेल, फिशिंग असेल, जे काय असतील त्याचे नेम्स लिहायचे. राईट अबाउट द कल्चर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. इथं सुद्धा तुम्ही काय करायचं, कल्चर म्हणजे लँग्वेज, फूड, क्लॉथ्स, फेस्टिवल्स हे लिहायचे, पण प्रत्येकाविषयी किमान एक तरी सेंटेन्स आपल्याला लिहिता आली पाहिजे. सो माय डियर स्टुडंट्स, टुडेज होमवर्क ऑफ सब्जेक्ट सोशल सायन्स, सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन्स and send me on a WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.